Lucifer is lonely, standing there, killing time. Can't commit to anything but a crime. Leaders on vacation, an open invitation. Animals, evidence. Pearly gates look more like a picket fence. Once you get inside them, got friends but can't invite them.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Franklin County Police Department. There have been increased populations and sightings of rabid dogs in Franklin County. No fatalities or injuries have been reported yet. Animal control officers and police officers are dealing with the situation. Please do not let any of your pets out, as this risks them also becoming rabid or being killed. Stay tuned to local media outlets for further information. Civil danger warning. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Franklin County Police Department and the Franklin County Emergency Management. The stray dog overpopulation situation has worsened. A pack of stray dogs fused together somehow and formed into a giant Cerberus-like creature. It is destroying most of Franklin and killing thousands. Authorities are trying to take this thing down but are so far failing. Until then, a mandatory shelter-in-place order has been given. Turn off heating and air conditioning. Lock all doors and windows and seek shelter in an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Stay tuned to local media outlets for further information.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Maine Emergency Management. There have been several reports of ghoulish, bloody entities all across the state of Maine killing thousands. It isn't known who these entities are or what they want. They have immense beaks, rings,
coincide with the net appearance. Due to the high population suppression record and the amount of death and destruction caused, all residents residing in Maine must evacuate now. When you evacuate, tie a bright colored piece of cloth on your door or mailbox. This will tell authorities you have evacuated. Be sure to bring food, water, clothing, medicine, medical supplies, and a battery-powered radio. All airline and bus stations have altered regular procedures to assist with the evacuation. Repeat, leave Maine now.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the New Hampshire Homeland Security. A major event in Maine that caused a statewide evacuation has gotten to New Hampshire. This event has killed 40,000 people. The resurrected entities are destroying most of New Hampshire and are slowly taking over the top part of the United States. If you see a ghoulish, bloody entity, run away from it and dial 911 immediately. Interaction with the entities will guarantee certain death. Stay tuned to local media outlets for further information.
This is the voice of the NOAA Weather Radio, station WNG 554, operating on a frequency of 162.400 MHz, originating from the National The following message is transmitted at the request of the Coos County Emergency Management. A large fire has broken out due to the resurrected attack. This fire's cause is believed to be a Molotov cocktail being thrown near flammable materials, causing a fire to occur. Firefighters are on the scene and are attempting to put out the fires, but resurrected and flammable materials are making this fire difficult to
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency. Mandatory evacuations for some states in the northeastern United States has been declared. The resurrected event originating from Maine has expanded to 3 other states. The resurrected entities are causing mass destruction and the death toll is reaching the 100,000s. Until police and SWAT can successfully take down the resurrected, all residents residing in New Hampshire, Pennsylvania, and Connecticut need to evacuate now. When you evacuate, tie a white towel onto your doorknob or mailbox. This will tell authorities you are aware of the situation and you have evacuated. Take food, water, clothing, medical supplies, and a battery-powered radio. Repeat, do not hesitate. Evacuate now.
Event type is civil emergency.
Le type d'événement est l'urgence civile.
For the entirety of Canada until further notice.
Pour l'ensemble du Canada jusqu'à nouvel ordre.
The following message is transmitted at the request of Canadian emergency management officials. A major event in the United States involving resurrected has expanded over to Canada. The resurrected entities are extremely powerful and difficult to kill. Police are attempting to kill the entities, but they are reported to have resistance to bullets of any kind. Until then, residents in Ontario and Toronto should be prepared to evacuate. Keep a battery-powered radio with you for updates on this situation in case it escalates. Stay tuned to television and radio stations for further information.
Le message suivant est transmis à la demande des responsables canadiens de la gestion des urgences. Aux États-Unis, un événement majeur impliquant une résurrection s'est étendu au Canada. Les entités ressurgies sont extrêmement puissantes et difficiles à tuer. La police tente de tuer ces entités, mais celles-ci résisteraient à toutes sortes de balles. Jusque-là, les résidents de l'Ontario et de Toronto devraient être prêts à évacuer. Gardez une radio alimentée par batterie avec vous pour des mises à jour sur cette situation au cas où elle dégénérerait. Restez à l'écoute de la télévision et des stations de radio pour plus d'informations.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. The resurrection phenomenon is expanding further. Attacks have been reported in California and Nevada and parts of Seattle and Arizona. The entities are moving closer to the central United States, which could lead up to a potential national emergency. Until then, please shelter in place until further notice. Turn off heating and air conditioning units and lock all windows and doors. If anyone in your party goes missing, do not look for them as they are most likely dead. Do not go outside as this risks death. Stay tuned to local media outlets for further information.
and, quote, resurrected have destroyed parts of the northeast and western parts of the United States. The entities have proven to be completely unstoppable according to armed forces. Over 12 million people have been killed due to this event. Some states have even become empty patches of land due to this. Unfortunately, all armed forces and military's attempts to kill the entities failed miserably. Now we have to call sterilization strikes in order to annihilate these entities once and for all. All residents hearing this message, seek a fallout shelter.
All clear. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. The resurrected entities have suddenly disappeared after the sterilization strikes on the United States. It is believed that the suspect, Robert D., was killed by one of the sterilization strikes. Repeat, it is now safe to go outside of the shelters. However, there is still fallout in the following areas: Chicago, Illinois, Minneapolis, Minnesota, Los Angeles, California, and Las Vegas, Nevada. If you are located in these areas, remain in your shelters until another National Information Center statement is issued. Stand by. Stand by. Stand by. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. The resurrected phenomenon has gotten significantly worse. The sterilization strikes launched from an undisclosed location used in order to rid of the resurrected failed miserably. It has been realized that these entities are unstoppable and will get to the rest of the world within 25 hours. All residents hearing this message are advised to gather family, friends, and anything that makes you happy and